I'm Lily.
I'm Gabby.
So the testable question we're doing is does the amount of baking soda and vinegar affect how high an explosion will go?
So that means our hypothesis is if we put more vinegar in baking soda, will it make the explosion bigger?
Yes, and the materials you need for this are vinegar, baking soda, and safety equipment like goggles and gloves. And then we found out later that we needed water for this or the mixture won't explode. So
let's get to the video!
Our independent variable is different amounts of baking soda and vinegar. Our dependent is how big the explosion is. Our constant is same materials, and our control is not used. Step 1, add water. Step 2, add 1/4 of a cup or a little more baking soda. Step 3, put on goggles. And step 4, pour vinegar and go about 2 yards away. Again, our materials are vinegar, baking soda, and water, and safety equipment, goggles, and gloves.
First time we tried, we didn't add water, so it didn't really explode.
The second time we tried, we didn't add water, but we put the cap on and shook it up, and it didn't explode either.
I measured it out, but then Gabby and I decided that we should pour from the bottle. And we had our first explosion. It wasn't very big, but at least we had one. Again, we poured from the bottle, and the explosions kept getting bigger and bigger as we realized that we needed to pour a lot more vinegar.
The next explosions kept getting bigger and bigger.
Because we realized that the more vinegar we added, the bigger the explosion will be. Today we upgraded to a bigger bottle, a Coke bottle. Since the bottle was bigger, we didn't have enough vinegar, so we had to get more.
So the next time, we added more vinegar.
This time, we had a lot more vinegar. We poured it a couple times before it actually exploded, but we got a good result. We tried pouring the rest in, but we didn't have enough. But that was okay because we already got a pretty good result.
We're back.
And we have our results.
Our hypothesis was correct.
Which means if you add more vinegar and baking soda, you get a bigger explosion.
So yeah, that's all. So
Thanks for watching.
bye.
Bye.
Deb.
Summary. We discovered to have a successful explosion, you have to add a little bit of water and a lot of vinegar. We first tried without water and little vinegar, but it didn't explode. Then we tried it with no water, little vinegar, and we put the cap on and shook it up, and that didn't work. Then the next time we added water and lots of vinegar, and it worked. We also added a lot of baking soda, and it worked well also. So our hypothesis was correct. Adding more vinegar and baking soda makes a bigger explosion.